What is up, and welcome to the Sprink Air Defense Program. Yeah, that's not very catchy. Anyway, I finally have a HOTAS set up. It's goodness, it is buttery. I'm not actually flying right now, that is autopilot. This is just a dodgy ass little IF-35 Lightning. Just got it loitering around with a Vulcan attached to it, all sorts of duct taped up. I'm gonna see if I can't shoot out of the sky with this new hands-on stick and throttle setup now. Should be fun. Should be fun. Built myself an Interceptor. It's on iteration 4.5. Really been fucking around with it. I'm gonna try not to use the rockets as a crutch. Got a couple Vulcans on there as well, duct taped on. And it's time to fucking go. Onwards to the runway. Oh yeah, that smooth analog input instead of tap 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 on the Q. And there's a bump here. Bump. There we go. And we're on the runway. Don't really need to ask them for clearance, considering I'm the only one here. So Talio. Go ahead and get Vulcan set up. Whoop. Pop up the gear. Get a little sass on there. Let's see. Where's this guy? Anyway. Throttle back. And let's see if we can't get visual contact on this motherfucker. Yep, guns work. Good stuff, good stuff. Hey, there he is! Let's see if we can't get up and... Oh, yikes. Let's see, where'd he go? Hey, there he is. Ha! Can you tell I'm not an actual pilot? Goddamn. Oh, shnikes. Hey, fucker, what up? I'm gonna shoot you down. Alrighty. I'll start with the advantage, I guess, because I fucking blow. Hey, and there he goes. Afterburners kicked in, dogfight engaged. Come here, motherfucker. Oh, don't stall. Do not stall. My god, he really likes his afterburner. Oh, come on. Where are you at? Oh. Oh, there my guns go. I guess my mouse was hovered over top of something like it shouldn't have been. Come here. Yikes. Oh. It's smooth, but I gotta get used to it. Oh, almost had some pepper on him. Almost peppered that egg. Oh, yikes. Okay, this is really gonna take some getting used to here. Oh, I should have used my yaw. What am I doing? Come on. I will shoot you down. You cannot outmaneuver the Interceptor 4.5. God damn it! We're twisting on me. Oh, were those hits? I don't know if those are hits or not. Afterburner's on. He's just trying to outrun me now. Kick those off. Definitely hitting Mach 1. Fuck that. Audio cuts out of my gun. Oh, overshot him. Yikes, yikes. Ah, gotta get used to putting in finer, smoother inputs. Hey, come on, line up, yeah! Give me them hits, give me them hits. Hey, a hit! Come here, come here. Shit, we are losing altitude. Do not try to ram me into the ocean, you asshole. Your computer, do not cheat like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on. Oh my lord. Oh, do not G out. Do not G out. Oh, you asshole, you are trying to fly me into the ocean. 300 meter. That is scary. Especially at night. God damn. God damn it. $400 Get away from the ocean, you jerk! Before you crash or I crash, please. Damn it, burp, damn it. Yeah. Oh, there's my ammo. Oh my lord. Burned through 3,900 rounds. God damn it. Alright, going for a radar lock. Oh shit, gotta arm the trigger though. Trigger armed. Yeah. Fox 1. Fox 2. Down you go. Got all that debris. Amazed my radar's picking it up. Alright, let's bring this bitch in for landing. Mission accomplished. I ran out of ammo and I fucking suck with my guns, but oh well. Okay, using the coastline. Oh, wow, we're a lot closer to the KSE than I thought. Well, that was fun as hell. Definitely need to get used to the inputs. Gotta meter them out a little bit more gently. Yeah, I'm just all over the damn place. So twitchy. Like, holy shit. I cannot imagine what this landing is going to look at. I mean, I just mapped this thing. Just mapped it. Goddamn. Yeah, let's see if we can't get into that runway now. The pieces are still falling out of the sky. Boosh. Velocity, come on. There it is. Brakes on. Whoa, whoa. Yikes, 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 yikes. Ah, skirt! Shit! Alright, I definitely need to mess with the steering limiters on that front wheel, but mission a fucking accomplished. Yeet!